52523 2004 MDX random misfire code. This is called a freeze frame.
Mm-hmm.
So when there's a code, the computer captures everything that it saw at the moment the code came on.
Okay.
So these are all the freeze frame of what happened.
Okay.
So I gotta regurgitate through all these sensors and see which one is like kind of weird. EGR position 1.06 volts. Adjustments, active tests. Idle adjustment, evap test, VTC, EGR, VTEC, O2 sensor, radiator fan, clutch, fuel pump, cruise control. I don't know what some of these things are. IMR test, idle adjust. Adjustments, live data, special functions. ECM, VIN check, replace, TP check. Live data. Engine speed. So right now, no engines are misfiring. It's all clear. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 misfire. So you see these numbers here from number 1 to number 6.
Mm-hmm.
I was hoping to see like a 1 on one of these. And it tells me that for some reason you have 6 cylinders, but if one was to go bad, for some reason the computer just like tells you they're all bad.
Mm-hmm.
So I was hoping that I can see one of them bad, but
Yeah.
this one is like saying everything's good. So it doesn't pinpoint which engine. So it's either a glitch or you made time to change a spark plug and it happened so fast it's not happening anymore.
I made time to change the spark. What do you mean?
Like hopefully if you want to just change your spark plugs randomly, it might fix the problem, or you just like let it drive
okay.
or just let it keep on driving until the problem happens again.
Yes.
Because it's either a spark plug or an ignition coil that went bad.
Okay.
But right now I can't determine which one is what.
Okay.
So
Okay.
we'll just erase the code and we'll just drive.
Yeah. There you go.
So you just go to live data and scroll down to all the way down to this one.
To this one.
Yeah, all these engines.
Mm.
If there's a 1 there, then I know it's engine number 4. But right now,
Okay. Right now, I'm not showing anything.
yeah. But you do have a negative number here for fuel trim.
I'm not sure.
Short-term fuel trim, bank 1. It's a negative 1. Short-term bank 1, 1.2. So negative means that somewhere this car is using too much gas and the computer has to reduce the amount of gas to make it run correctly. So maybe you have a dirty air filter or something. Something is causing you to use more gas than normal, and then the computer needs to reduce the gas to compensate to make it run correct. So hence it's a red number.
How you fix that?
You have to check on a lot of stuff, but basically it tells me the direction I need to go find something. If it's very positive or very negative, it gives me clues to which things are going bad in what direction.
Okay. And that's fuel trim.
Yeah, that's called fuel trim. All right, so we're good here. We're going to erase the code. Oh, let's go. What's going on?
Engine.
Do we have any readiness codes? No pending codes. Active test, special functions, erase code. Yes. Codes. Okay, no codes. So just